Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. In my previous video, I had explained chapter Speed, Time and Distance and solved exercise 10A from the book New Mathematics Today. And now in this video, I will explain you all the question answer of exercise 10B. But before starting the exercise 10B, I will tell you some rules related to train. Suppose a train is 60 meter long and crossing a lamp post or signal post or standing man or a telephone pole. It means stationary object. These are the stationary object. Then if train is crossing a lamp post, signal post, a standing man or a telephone pole, then distance then distance is equal to length of a train. What? Train. Here it is, a train is 60 meter long, then d is equals to distance kitni hogi? D is equals to 60 meter. And the second rule is, if train crossing the bridge or a tunnel or a train at rest or a platform, then distance is equals to, suppose train crossing the bridge and the length of the bridge is, suppose bridge length is equals to 80 meter, and you know the train is 60 meter long, then the distance is equals to length of a train plus length of a bridge. It means length of a train is a 60 meter plus length of a bridge is 80 meter. Then distance is d is equals to 140 meter. It means there are two rules. If a train is crossing a lamp post, signal post, standing man and telephone pole, it means the distance is equal to length of a train. It means 60 meter if the train is 60 meter long. And then if train is crossing the bridge, a tunnel, a train at rest and a platform, then distance is equals to length of a train plus length of a bridge. If train is crossing the bridge, suppose here we are mentioned that train is 60 meter long. If bridge length is 80 meter, then the distance is 140. It means distance क्या हो जाएगी? Length of a train plus length of a bridge. These are the two rules. Now we will solve the exercise 10B. The question number 1 is, an express train 240 meter long is running with the speed of 108 km per hour. In what time will it pass an electric pole? So in this question we have to find out the time. So first of all, an express train 240 meter long and is running with the speed of 108 km per hour. So the speed is 108 km per hour. First of all, because an express train itni meter long, so first of all we will convert it kilometer per hour ko meter per second, and now we will multiply 108 into 5 upon 18. 18 6 ja, so speed is 30 km per hour. And now time is, we have to find out time, हमें निकालना है. And now you know s equals to d upon t, and now we have to find t, so t equals to d upon s. We know distance is 240 meter, and now S is 30, 3 8s are, and now time is 8 second. 8 second. Look at this. Speed is 108 kilometer per hour. First of all, we will convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So we will multiply with 5 upon 18. Then the speed is 30 meter per second. Sorry. And now t हमें निकालना है. After that we know कि an express train इतने is long is running with the speed of इतने. So the distance is 240 meter, and now we will apply the formula t बराबर d upon s, and now 240 upon 30, and the answer is t is equals to 8 second. Question number 2. If a train with a speed of 60 km per hour crossing a pole in 30 seconds, what is the length of the train? Length of a train, we know if train crossing a pole, then the distance is equals to length of a train. So we will find out the distance. And now the answer is speed is, we know, 60 kilometer per hour, and now we will change it meter per second. So we will multiply s equals to 60 into 5 upon 18 meter per second. So 6 1 जा 6, 10, 6 2 जा, तो स्पीड आ गई हमारी 50/2 मीटर पर सेकेंड. Okay, 3. 6 1 जा 6, 10 bar, and 6 3 जा 18. So 50 upon 3. Speed is 50 upon 3 meter per second, and it is given 30 seconds. So t equals to 30 second, and now distance हमें find out करना है. And now we will solve this. S बराबर d upon t. So d is 50 upon 3 and into 30, and now 10. So speed is equals to 500 meter, because if train is crossing a pole, then the length of the train is equal to distance. So the answer is 500 meter. So the length of the train is 500 meter. Now question number 3. A train 50 meter long passes a platform 100 meter long in 10 seconds. So what is the speed of the train in kilometer per hour? Okay, so we know if train is passing a platform, then the distance is equals to length of a train plus length of a platform. So we know कि length of a train is 50, and the platform length is 100 meter. So distance is 150 meter. And now we know t is 10 second. So we have to find out the speed. So s बराबर d upon t. Applying the formula s बराबर d upon t. So d is 150/10. Okay. And now answer is 15 meter per second. The speed is 15 meter per second. But we have to find out speed in kilometer per hour. So now we will convert meter per second को kilometer per hour. So 15 को हम multiply with 18 upon 5, and 5 3s are 15, and now 18 3s are 54 kilometer per hour. So the speed is 54 kilometer per hour. Like this we will do this type of question. Question number 4 is, a train 270 meter long is running at a speed of 36 kilometer per hour. How long will it take to cross a bridge 180 meter long? So in this question we have to find out t, time, And distance is, distance is length of a train plus length of a bridge. So distance is 270 plus 180 equals to 450 meter. And now speed is 36 kilometer per hour. And now we will convert into meter per second. So 36 into 5 upon 18. 18 to the 36. So speed is equals to 10 meter per second. So we have to find out time. D is 450 meter and the speed is 10 meter per second. And now we will apply the formula. S equals to D upon T. So T equals to D upon S. And distance is 450. Speed is 10. So the answer is 45. So time is 45 second. This is the answer. Time is 45 second. Now question number 5 is a passenger train 125 meter long takes half a minute in crossing a tunnel 355 meter long. So what is the speed of the train? So the distance is, distance is the length of the train and the length of the tunnel. So length of the train is 125 plus length of a tunnel 355 meter. It means distance is 480 meter. And now time is half a minute. 1 minute is equals to 60 second. Then half a minute is equals to 30 second. And now we have to find out speed. So apply S equals to D upon T. And D is 480 and now 30. And now 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, 16 meter per second. So speed is 16 meter per second. This is the answer of question number 5. And now question number 6. A train 200 meter long running at 36 km per hour takes 55 seconds to pass a bridge. So what is the length of a bridge? And now we know a train 200 meter long running at 36 km per hour. So speed is 36 km per hour converted into meter per second. So 36 into 5 upon 18. 18 to the 36. So 10 meter per second. And we know time is 55 second. And now distance. Suppose let bridge length is, in this question, what is the length of a bridge? Suppose bridge length is x is equals to x. Then distance is, distance is equals to length of a train plus length of a bridge. So distance is, length of a train is 200 and the bridge length is x. So 200 plus x. And now, S equals to D upon T. So D is equals to S into T. So D is equals to S into T. So apply the formula. D 200 plus X equal speed is 10 and T is 55 seconds. Okay, so 200 plus X equals to 550. So X is equals to 550 minus 200 को इधर ले आएंगे and now 200 and now X is equals to 350. It means length of a bridge is 350 meter. This is the answer. Now the next question is A 225 meter long train crosses a 275 meter long tunnel in 1 second. And what is the speed of the train in kilometer per hour? So in one minute, so we know the time is equals to 1 minute. It means equals to 60 second. And we know distance is length of a train plus length of a tunnel. It means distance is 225 plus 275. It means 500 meter. So speed is S barabar d upon t. So 500 divided by 60. And now distance is 50 by 6 meter per second. And now we have to convert it kilometer per hour. So 50 by 6 into 18 upon 5. So 5 tens are 50, 6 threes are 18. So the answer is 30 kilometer per hour. Speed is 30 kilometer per hour. Question number 8 is a 200 meter long train crosses a platform of double its length in 36 seconds. Find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour. It means the time is, answer, time is 36 seconds. And we know the train is 200 meter long. So length of a train equals to 200 meter, and length of a platform is double its length. So length of a platform is double इसकी है तो 400 meter. So the distance is length of a train plus length of a platform. So the distance is 600 meter. So distance is 600, time is 36 seconds. So speed is distance upon time 36. So 6 6 are 36 and 100 upon 6 meter per second. And now we have to meter per second, and now we have to convert into kilometer per hour. So 100 by 6 into 18 upon 5. 6 threes are 18 and 20 and 23 are 60. 60 kilometer per hour. So speed is 60 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. And now the last one question number 9. Last one is a train crosses a platform 90 meter long in 30 seconds, and a man standing on the platform is 15 seconds. Find the speed of the train. So first of all, suppose the length of a train is x. Okay, and now the first time is 30 seconds, and the distance is, distance is the length of a train plus the length of the platform. So x plus 90, t1 and d1. And now the second time is 15 seconds, and because the train crossing a man, so the distance is equals to length of a train. So distance is x, and we know s equals to d upon t. So d upon t, and this is the d upon t. So we will first of all we will find out the value of x. And now for this d upon t, so x plus 90 upon 30 is equals to x upon 15. 15 1 15, 15 2 30. So cross multiply. So 2x equals to x plus 90, and इधर तो 2x minus x equals to 90. So x equals to 90. It means length of a train is 90. And now we will put the value of x in any one of x बराबर d upon t या s बराबर d1 upon t1 या d2 upon t2. So s equals to x upon 15. It means 90 upon 15. 15 6 ja, so s equals to 6 meter per second. But we have to find out the speed in kilometer per hour. So we will multiply it. 6 into 18 upon 5. It means 108 upon 5. And now 21.6 kilometer per hour. Speed is, because in this question we want speed in kilometer per hour, so we will multiply with 18 by 5 is equals to 108 upon 5. Okay everyone, now we have done all the question answer of exercise 10b. If you have any doubt, then you can write in comment box. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.